Welcome all to Nature's Pulse. Today, let us watch a blue beauty of our locality, which is widely distributed in Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, namely white-throated kingfisher or white-breasted kingfisher. The kingfisher is a brightly colored, broad-billed group of birds in the Alcedinidae family. There are over 100 of different species of kingfishers, which researchers divide into 3 different subfamilies. Here is the fantastic view of white-throated kingfisher that wonderfully catches its prey. Just observe that I could observe so closely from my home backyard. The adult has a bright blue-black wings and tail. Its head, shoulders, flanks and lower belly are chestnut and the throat and breast are white. The large bill and legs are bright red. It is a tree kingfisher and it can often be found well away from water, where it feeds on a wide range of prey that includes small reptiles, amphibians, crabs, small rodents and even birds. During the breeding season, they call loudly in the morning from prominent perches, including the top of buildings in urban areas or on wires. Here is one another fantastic catch. Here you can see the peaceful behavior of kingfisher and also how patiently it is waiting for its prey. It belongs to phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Coraciformes and family Alcedinidae, and its scientific name is Halcyon simrensis. It is a state bird of West Bengal also. So the white-throated kingfisher is easily identifiable because of its electric bluish green tinged back and upper wings. So here you can see also it's a heavy pointed dark bill. And this species mainly hunts large crustaceans, insects, earthworms, rodents, fish and even frogs. Male perch on prominent high post in their territory and call in the early morning. Sexes are similar, but juveniles are a duller version of the adult. They are particularly noisy in the breeding season. While most of the kingfishers are described purely as water birds living chiefly on fishes, this white-throated kingfisher breaks these kingfisher stereotypes by preferring wooded country, rarely diving into water for fish and feeding voraciously on insects, reptiles, rodents, amphibians, etc. The breeding season lasts from March to July and 2 to 7 eggs are laid in small tunnels near the banks of rivers and sometimes in decaying trees even. As responsible parents, they make multiple trips to feed the young. It sat patiently for a long time so that I could take photographs and video. Actually, it was a lucky day for me. So you all observe this wonderful bird and enjoy its beauty. These birds help control the population of small vertebrates, even invertebrates that might otherwise do costly damage to human agriculture. In the face of extreme fragmentation of habitat, this bird is known to adapt well. They inhabit a wide range of artificial and natural ecosystem. They are generally monogamous. Speed is incredible and fascinating to watch. They can dive at speeds up to 25 meters per hour. That is very fascinating to watch even. Just you observe the beauty and enjoy the feathers color. Kingfisher is one of Asia's colorful birds. Most species have bright plumage with only small differences between the sexes. Color in nature is a fascinating topic. Look at the extraordinary clever ways in which nature makes spectacular color effects. The brilliant blue of the kingfisher's back feathers are not the result of pigment but the result of light striking specially modified layers of feather cells. These colors are structural. They are created by the intricate structural arrangement of a transparent material which, depending on its precise makeup and thickness compared to the tiny wavelength of light, produces a range of colors by incident light. Kingfishers are important members of ecosystem and good indicators of freshwater community health. Hope it was informative to you and you all enjoyed the beauty of kingfisher Halcyon smyrnensis. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.